Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Luvo Tubula from French South African Schneider Electric Education Center. Today, we're gonna show you how to make a flip lamp. A flip lamp is simply a lamp that works on the principle of gravity. With the weight inside the pipe, when it slides down, it causes the motor to turn, which produces electricity. And that electricity is the same electricity that powers the lamp. This whole project here took first place in Schneider Electric Nomade Low-Tech Innovation 2016 with only recyclable material used. Today we're going to show you how to make your own flip lamp at home with only recyclable materials. Now, the flip lamp is mainly made out of 4 basic parts: the pipe, the 2 pulleys, the weight, and the lamp. When the weight moves between the 2 pulleys, it causes the microwave motor to turn, which is connected to one of the 2 pulleys. And when it turns, it produces the voltage, which we use to power the lamp. We have a pipe, and then a size of a bottle that can fit inside. We have some foil, the microwave motor, the sandpaper, we have tape, the plastic, straws, LEDs, nails and washers, a broomstick and wood. We have some scrap wires here and recyclable bottles. We have sand and some heavy objects for the weight. Here are the tools that we need: the files, the measuring instruments, the scissor and the pencil, the saws here, the pliers and the screwdrivers and the super glue. Here we have the cable knife and the hammer. Here we have a drill and a jigsaw, but these 2 are not compulsory. You take a pipe of plus minus 1 meter, and this one is 80 millimeter diameter. You mark a square of 100 millimeter by 25 millimeter, and you cut it using a hacksaw. You do the same on opposite side and at the other end of the pipe. Now make a hole at the center of the 2 squares and then count 45 millimeters from the top. You do the same at the opposite side and at the other end of the pipe. Now the pipe should look like this. Now we are making pulleys. Make 2 circles of radius 45 millimeter on the wood and cut it with a saw or a jigsaw. Now use a file or a saw to make a slot around the pulley. Now make a hole at the center of the pulley that a broomstick can fit in. Now cut 2 pieces of the broomstick 70 millimeters long and fit one into the pulley. Now cut the strips of the sandpaper that we can fit in the slot of the pulley for grip. The sandpaper is used to stop the pulley from slipping. Now drill a hole at the center of the broomstick and file the edges of the broomstick. At the end, the 2 pulleys will look like this. Now make a hole at the bottom of the bottle at the side and put a flexible wire inside and make a knot. Now, give the bottle some weight, fill the sand and heavy objects. Now, cut the wire for more than 190 millimeters and take a bottle cap, make a hole in the middle and put the wire inside and make a knot inside. Now we are making a lamp. You make a holes onto the plastic for the LEDs. Now use the wires to connect on the pins of the LEDs. This is how the circuit works. An LED has an anode and a cathode. The anode is positive and cathode is negative, and the positive is a longer pin. In this connection, we connect two LEDs with the positive to negative, called series. Now we repeat this parallel connection 3 times. We then connect all positive sides together and all negative sides together. We call this connection parallel. The microwave motor gives an alternating current. In other words, back and forth. We swap the two sets by connecting the positive side to the negative side. The positive cycle powers 6 LEDs and the negative cycle powers the other 6 LEDs. Now, this is how the lamp should look like. Make these 2 holes here and put the microwave motor and tighten it with the wire. Now, we're going to insert the pulley and the bottle inside. Now, we're going to put another pulley. When you put it, you must make sure that the cable is tight inside by tightening it inside the bottle. Now we're going to connect the wire from the lamp into the motor. Now this is the flip lamp. Everything has been put together and it's working. Thank you very much for watching. Please share with us your ideas, innovations or projects. Visit our Facebook page at French South African Schneider Electric Education Center. Thank you.